We need to come up with kind of creative ways of getting electricity if it runs out. For example, just a day ago, we took the battery to my friend's place, to Luca's place, who lives here, and then we charged it there, and then we need to carry it all the way to the car. Okay, now we have light. Apparently the service is starting at the church.
So, would you like to tell where we are now and what's going on?
We are now in Fornelli in Italy, and we're kind of trying to do a documentary in this car of ours, which is actually our home as well. This is where I do my business.
We've been living in this car full time for, is it like almost 2 months? So not so long. But before that, it was like about 5 months living like 1/3 of the time when we were in Finland and just traveling around in summertime. It's really, the atmosphere here is so nice. It's so different than Finland in the cutest way. And of course, here in Fornelli, the views are just absolutely amazing.
Where are we going, Kata?
To the store. Local food shop and up the hill. Up the hill, the view is even better.
So they say that's a real wolf.
Ciao.
Yeah, leipää löytyy. Should we take maybe some cheese as well?
Questo è vicino a chi parla.
Ah, ok.
Quello è
Ah,
vicino
questo-
a chi ascolta.
Ascolta. Provala affumicata.
Sì.
Pesto alla genovese. Pesto alla genovese.
She do everything by himself, and so it's the opposite than my sister.
So Jonas makes YouTube videos and he's teaching people color grading. He makes courses and sells them online.
So here's my setup. I have the camera is over there shooting, and 2 wires going to the camera and 1 wire going to the teleprompter on the camera. And then I have like a remote control system going, which is here, which is connecting. I can like say, hello, here I am, this is me, this is like, I can control the camera from remote. Sitten seuraavaksi pitää pistää mies hyvän näköiseksi, koska se on loukkaus katsojia kohtaan. YouTubea näyttää siltä, että se ei ole käynyt suihkussa viikkoa.
Mikä on totta, eiks vaan?
Now I'm in the middle. You know this thing.
Not that fast.
I mean, this thing, swirly bokeh. This is the new. So this car is 30-year-old, designed in Finland, and this is really like a unique. You don't have these many in the world. And the nice thing about this, because this is really like an apartment on wheels. This is not a van. It's pretty much the same lifestyle if you would be living in a studio apartment. But then the views you can change them, and it's fun. And like this place, like this Fornelli, I would not end up immersed in this Italian, like this, I would say, real Italian culture. Good time to take a bit of a break.
I'm in a better mood. I'm like all the time like, wow, look at this, and we are living our dream. I think that affects very positively our relationship too.
Thanks a lot for the show.
I think Italy is full of these small places tourists can find, but like every place is like so unique and so cool and cute. The freedom and like being able to go anywhere we want to go, that's that's for me like the coolest thing.
I guess this could be like a minus, but I think it's a positive as well. That it's always kind of like every day toss of dice, like a guessing game. Like what will happen? Will our car break somewhere, or are we gonna find the next piece of heaven that we never knew existed? You never know what's gonna happen tomorrow.